I'm going to run through the metals real quick because I'm going to use this first 20 minutes for my public stuff with my Opus AI creator. We got gold. Obviously, the show in town in so many ways with silver and metals and the miners. I got in about an hour of Mr. Schiff last night. I didn't try to speak to him. I just had it on my phone listening, kind of giggling with mom about Peter Schiff because the first time I did my spacing with Peter Schiff, mom kept saying, "Are you sure it's the real one? Are you sure it's the real one?" I was like, "Mom, um, I know the man's voice. I mean, yeah, there's certain things that where people can fake stuff and fake voices. I had a Kramer do it to me. So, and come over to my Telegram and did a recording so fast that it made me really kind of think that maybe I had the right Kramer, even though there was just red flags everywhere. And AI voice and recordings, or they can respond to, right after you send them a message and make you think that it's real. But yeah. So about an hour of Peter last night. Very happy man. And as you can see, I brought Elliott way back, and I brought the Super Monster Moon Gold pattern because honestly, this thing has broke every line I put on it as we took off, and I had no idea. They lulled everybody to sleep, and they got a lot of people to put all their money in Bitcoin. Lord, y'all know I'm not responsible for any of that mess right there. No hold, and I haven't liked Bitcoin since 1670, and y'all know that. I haven't liked anything that has happened. And if people kept their powder to the side, there's some serious. And I just sent a list of silver miners, gold miners, other metals as well. Obviously, I cover palladium. There's a palladium call. There's a copper call. And I've done silver calls all the way up to where we're at right now. We'll look at silver. But Elliott Wave, the Super Monster Moon Gold pattern, which is basically this pattern where they put everybody to sleep. They put everybody to sleep. It ends up being a sideways move, although it's a downtrend. And gold just doesn't do anything for really back here. Gold hasn't done anything since 2011. It says go all the way down and come all the way back up and go sideways all the way to March, May, April, March, really March. So really right around my birthday, right around COVID. And gold comes in, and the way that I've run these fibs here is I just come above this pattern here. I've worked on this chart until my head hurts, to be honest with you. I'm trying to figure out where they might be running, and only thing I can come up with, and it's not the normal way that I mean, if you run the whole leg and any way I've ever showed you, the pattern break, I have to come and sit on top of this. And I just thought about it for a while, and like they put everybody to sleep. Now, what other people will call this pattern, it doesn't matter to me. Go to your candlestick book, see if you can find, or not, maybe not your candlestick book, but a pattern, your TA book. And, what do they call it? I'll let you figure it out. And you can kind of see, I've just kind of got to say, kind of funny, but at the same time, patterns can be very important. So the next time you're looking at a chart, when you see this, you see what gold did. Now, gold's a special kind of beast, right? So boom goes the gold, boom goes the silver. Obviously, I made the silver call a while back. I made the copper call a while back. I made the palladium and the platinum at 1,000. And now is where everybody comes in and says, "Where I buy it?" And I'm like, "Really?" Um, and that's Elliott Wave says that that's a three wave. Elliott Wave says that that's a one wave, and ABC two wave, and then Impulsive, one of the biggest three waves since Scrivener. Really. And I do feel like it's pretty close to a top. But you need price action. You need really some damage here and a bounce. But to tell people to buy it now, I think your gold mining stocks, we've been covering Fury for you, is where you should be looking right now, and in the other metals. You should already be positioned in this and have decisions of what you're going to do at five if we get to six. They're calling seven. I'm calling 10, but I think there'll be a pretty good doggone good correction. And The red moving average is what you should keep your eyes on. I'm on a weekly chart.